Hi, my name is Anjali Singh. Today, I will be presenting you JDBC API tutorial course. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself. I'm a software engineer and have number of years of experience in Java enterprise application development in various domains with well-known IT organizations. I have done my master's in data mining and earned technical certification at professional level. Let's get into the course. The objective of this course is to learn about JDBC API in detail and implementation of latest features in Oracle database components. So basically this course will be more theoretical to learn concepts in detail and more practical to implement as well. Audience, who should take this course? If you are new in Java and Oracle and you would like to learn JDBC API in detail, then this course will be more beneficial and informative for you. This course includes the video tutorials which are downloadable and a complete manual along with a complete instruction guide, an ebook in a PDF format. You will see JDBC demo source code, a complete application. Then we have practice tests to learn how to process the bug fixing in the application. Then we have a course completion certification and project implementation, a small project along with the designing, implementation and execution guide. This course content divided into two parts, the basic concept and second part is advanced concept. The basic concept covers the introduction of Java and JDBC architecture. We'll cover the different types of JDBC driver available, and we have JDBC API, a complete library information, the most commonly used interfaces and the classes and the methods and objects which are available in the library. Then we'll see JDBC driver connection, a small description about Oracle database management system, and a guide of software download and instructions for installation instruction, and a demonstration which includes the execution and implementation of DDL and DML, the data definition language and the data manipulative language statements in Oracle using JDBC API is the JDBC demo application. I hope you like this course and would like to see you in this learning experience. Thank you.